Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about some digital skills. You can sell these skills on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and these skills are very easy to learn. So let's go to Fiverr and check the demand of the skill which I will teach you, and the skill is LinkedIn post design. So I click on LinkedIn post. There are only 869 services available, and that's great. I will create LinkedIn post for your business, and let's analyze his gig. LinkedIn content Kickstarter. He charged $160 for only 5 LinkedIn posts. That's huge. In standard, he charged $250 for 8 LinkedIn posts, and in premium, he charged $360 for 12 LinkedIn posts. Perfect for 1 month of content to maximize exposure. That's great. Let's see his portfolio, and I will teach you exact how you can create these type of posts in very easy steps. So let's that's it for the Fiverr, and let's move towards that how we can create this. So I click on Canva, and as you can see, Canva is a graphic design software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. And I search here LinkedIn post. Size of the LinkedIn post is 1200 by 1200. So I click on the create a blank, and suppose we have to create a post on business or food, sorry, like travel. And there are the templates which you just have to customize the template and your post is ready. So I click on this one. I like this one. You have to change the image, so go to like photos, right here travel, and you can paste this image here, and the next is here, and travel fun. You can get the details from your client, like his website, like his phone number and other information, and you just have to put the information here and your post is ready. And in that way you can create hundreds of posts in like minimum time. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, and so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.